Hey guys, so in this video I'll be comparing the specs of the AGM G3 with the Blackview BL9000. In case you're not aware, AGM announced the G3 series a few weeks ago. The G3 series consists of the G3 and the G3 Pro. Both devices are among the best feature-packed 5G rugged phones of 2025, and they are among the few rugged devices that supports wireless charging. So if you're looking for a 5G rugged phone that supports wireless charging, then make sure to check out the AGM G3 series using the link in the video description. Anyway, let's quickly compare the specs of both devices. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. Today I have you guys the AGM G3 versus the BL9000. Personally, the G3 is a really nice rugged phone. It has a bright camping light. It has a 116 decibel super loud speaker. And as I mentioned earlier, it is among the few rugged devices that supports wireless charging. The device supports 18 watts wireless charging. As I mentioned earlier, if you're interested in the G3 series, either the G3 or the G3 Pro, make sure to use the link in the video description. So that's it for the video. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.